triangle. Nah, that's a joke. I want to talk today about triangle screwdrivers. There are a lot of triangle shaped screwdrivers, and this one particular, I found it on eBay, and I remember I paid like $8 or something. Now the problem, when I bought it, it fit perfectly on this wide or big screw, but not on this one. See, this one is very tiny, and to make it work I had to file just the tip a little bit and make it a little smaller. As you can see, the tip is a little smaller than the rest of the body. I'm gonna call it body. So this way I could make it work with the very tiny screw on Emily, and it of course works for the same with this other bigger. So if you can't find this type of screwdriver, triangle shapes, you can use the flat, very tiny, this is a 2mm wide flat screwdriver, already twisted. See, the tip is kind of bended to the sides and works fine with these screws. See, it works, this flat screwdriver. So this is an option if you want to use a flat screwdriver, if you don't have access to the triangle shape screwdriver. This set I get it for $3 and some at Walmart stores. So you can get the same, see, the same screwdriver. This is a flat head screwdriver, and it can be used with the triangle shape screw. See, it works perfectly. But sometimes there is a problem. Those screws are really tight, and I found a solution. Probably you might know, some of you might not know. And the problem is that this very small, there's not enough grip, even with your hands, if you have strong hands. So in order to get you support, I'm using these pressure pliers, and it will help you a lot. Let me show you. Now you have more grip. See, you have more grip with this. So this set is an option if you want to use this 2mm flat head screwdriver, and also you got this for other models, which works really fine. Like in this model Gordon, you can remove the screw very easily. There are other options at eBay or Amazon where you can get those triangle shaped screwdrivers. Yesterday I found this set, which is nice. I'm going to show you and tell you why this is very important. Now here, let's go to the main point. What I'm trying to say is, see this, it's triangle shaped heads or tips, triangle shaped tips, and we'll get the 3, 1, 2, 3. I was hesitant to get this triangle shapes set, but it looks nice and it works. Let me tell you, this is $14.88 at Walmart. I don't know if you can find it somewhere else. It does come with a magnetic screwdriver, pretty strong, and the set comes with a T number 20, 23, and 27. So I guess the TA is a triangle shape. Now the other one is so big, you don't need it. There are 4. You don't need that one. But let me show you these 3. First, the T20. It works great with a smaller screw, triangle screw on Emily, and also works fine with a bigger screw on Emily. Now triangle shape number 23, same with Emily standard. It works fine, actually works excellent with the smaller screw, and the bigger screw works excellent. Triangle shape number 27 works great on the bigger. Now it doesn't work with the smaller screw, and that's the reason why I filed the tip of this screwdriver. This one I got it on eBay, and it says T23, but it's not T23, it's 27. So to make it work, I had to file. If you happen to buy one of these kind of tips, I do not recommend you to get this. These are so big and it will not work. Even if you find some of these with a long shaft or the tip, it will work on your model. Let me show you. Let's say you have this kind of screwdrivers tips. Here is the problem. If you want to try to use this, it will not go all the way in. Even you can try it, and if you reach the screw on the bottom on the model, you gotta work really hard and you might destroy the hole on this model. And to make it worse, for example, on this talking Henry, the hole is very small, really tiny. You cannot even do anything. See, that's what I'm trying to explain at this moment. These are too big, so be very careful. If you are buying or ordering something from eBay or Amazon, and if the shank says 1/4 inch, do not buy it. I do not recommend you. You're gonna waste a lot of money. The only reason you can buy this or you can use is for these screws that are exposed. This is not an endorsement or paid promotion or anything about this video, but I like to share about this set of screwdrivers. But the most important thing for me are the triangle shape. Now you may be thinking, might it work for this with deeper holes on the models? And yes and no. Yes, let me show you. Here it doesn't work, it doesn't go all the way in, but they come with extension. See these tiny extensions, they work really nice. I already did a little test. See? And this extension goes all the way in. Even with the Henry does have a smaller hole. See there? It's very small. So I do recommend you to get this tool if you are into repairing your models. See, it works really nice. The other thing I found useful are the Philip tips. Is it tips? What it say? Bits. It's Philip bits. Sorry, but anyways, the bits. Philips are great for these models, but I do recommend you to use these ones in the middle row if you are getting this set. This one I tested, it works great. Not others, but they do get you. They do work really fine, really fine, as you can see there. So what's the most important thing of this set? For $14.88, that's a really good deal of a lot of bits that you can use for your models. If you're into fix and repair, I do recommend you to get this set from Walmart or maybe in Amazon. But remember, you got it. It needs to be 77 pieces electronic repair kit. I think Hypertalk is the brand, and Hypertalk is owned by Walmart. For the little research I did, it's owned by Walmart. So as I always, I'm trying to show you a solution, common or easy solution to fix your models. For example, in this case, we have the triangle shape screwdriver. You can use the flat head screwdriver to remove the side rods. I use a fork to show you how to get it, but you can use this tool. And I always try to find an easy solution for you because not everybody has access to tools. So in my videos, I'm still gonna use some of these tools or options like a fork. So because you might be asking, oh, there is another option, or where can I get these tools, or how can I do this? So I'm still going to show you my videos, other options how to fix it. But there is this set is really nice. I do recommend you guys to get it.